may have bought an NFT. So in the recent couple of weeks, you've probably been hearing NFT, 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 and you're like, what's an NFT? Well, I got one. And for those who don't know what an NFT is, you might freak out when you find out how much I paid for it. What is this beautiful art piece, you ask, I purchased? It is this gambling ape. And yes, literally, I bought a JPEG of an ape. So basically, let me give you a little bit of a synopsis on what an NFT is. An NFT stands for non-fungible token. It's basically something that you can purchase. In this sense, it is purchased with crypto, and specifically in my case, I bought this ape with Ethereum. So you're probably wondering, well, what's the point of buying the NFT, right? Well, for people who are collectors who just want to keep the NFT and value the art in it and the illustration and all of that, you've got those people. And then you've got people like me who, you know, want to learn and figure out how, because it was a little bit of a process to get this thing, but also see if we can make some money off of it. And I'll kind of explain how we're gonna make some money. So basically, how much do you think I paid for it? It's really good. I paid 0.21 Ethereum. 0.21 Ethereum. At the time, Ethereum, I believe, was like 4,100 or 4,200, I'm not sure. But basically my total was $1,014 for this JPEG of an ape. Now you're probably like, yo, this YouTuber guy, he's nuts, he's got a ton of money and he's spending $1,000 on a JPEG. No, not at all. The reason why I actually got it is to flip it and make some profit. And this is kind of where we get into the interesting part of the video. So, when you're buying an NFT, you go to their page on I use OpenSea as a resource, and there's some terminology that we've got to explain. This over here, the floor price, basically means that the cheapest ape that they're selling at the moment is for 0.36 Ethereum. And if we click on that, it'll show us that ape that they're talking about. So this one's 0.36 over here. The next one up is 0.375. So if somebody purchases this, the floor is now 0.375. Now, I bought the cheapest ape at the time that I purchased mine. And the floor at the time was my ape, which was 0.21 Ethereum. And now the floor, the lowest price that you can get an ape for, or a gambling ape specifically, is 0.36 Ethereum. So that's a difference of 0.15. So to purchase something at 0.21, that's just not an option. That doesn't exist anymore. And so in theory, the ape that I purchased has gone up in value because there's no longer a cheaper alternative. So technically, I can relist or sell my ape for the floor price, or maybe if I want to sell it even quicker, I put it at just a little bit under a floor price. So let's see what Ethereum's at today. Oh my god, Ethereum's at 4,400. Didn't realize. But anyways, I purchased my ape for 0.21 Ethereum, which was at the time $1,014, give or take. Right now, if I was to sell it at floor price, which is 0.36, at current value of Ethereum, which is 4,465, that comes out to 1,607. I paid 1,014, so I'd be making a profit of just under $600, which is not bad. I purchased the ape about a week ago, so it's not bad, $600 in a week. But there are other utilities that come with having this ape. So for instance, gambling ape, right? Once you purchase an ape and you have that NFT, you're now a member of that community. And so they have meetups, they have a utility like this online casino that they've created, or that they are still creating. And you're just part of that membership and community, and some people want to purchase and be a part of it, so they purchase an NFT just for that sake. There are other NFTs that are way more expensive, where they'll like host parties in LA and New York and things like that. Basically, any successful NFT probably has some type of utility to it. And the best part is I didn't spend cash on mine. I have a mining rig, so that's what I use to pay for the NFT. So there was no cash out of pocket. And if you guys didn't see that mining rig video, make sure you go check it out. I'll have it linked up. But yeah, that's basically the world of NFTs. So we're going to follow, and I'll keep you guys updated on how this goes and if the prices skyrocket or whatever the case is. But I think I'm gonna hold my NFT for a bit, and it's serving me a pretty cool Twitter profile pic. Just a subtle flex. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and we're back making videos. So I'll see you guys around.